Hi there folks, it's me again with another enthralling video, and here it is, the long-awaited Chances Unlimited. I should stress that this is very much a work in progress, but if I don't upload it now, it won't happen this year because I'm off to work for a fortnight on Monday with just 2 days off to go and annoy my dad for Christmas. Strangely enough, I've never played this machine in real life. I've made this entirely from Chris's videos on the Chris217 channel. So thanks very much to Chris, not only for his channel, but for the help and advice and indeed encouragement that he's given me over the past 18 months, not only with this, but Super Lineup and Snappy Viper as well. How is this one different? I've done some new graphics. There are new bars, bells and pound signs. You can see the bells there. You can see the top half of a bar there on the third reel. What else have I done? I've also split the payout, so it's now split into cash or tokens, which wouldn't normally matter, but of course if you end up with lots of super series, then if the total payout is £1.60 or more, then it all has to be paid out in tokens, so it's useful to split them up. I've also amended the game calculation so it's much faster than it was. Hopefully there won't be any embarrassing pauses while it works everything out. The nudge ladder there, that is staggered because there isn't enough room on the screen to have all of them from bottom to top. And you'll also see that it says infinite nudges rather than unlimited, because again I can't fit unlimited in the space that is available. Of course the screen is quite crowded on this. There are two exchange buttons. The one on the left is if you're exchanging between cash and nudges, and the one on the right is in case you're exchanging for super series. I suspect this will do quite a few things that it shouldn't. I haven't had time to debug it properly. If you see anything you don't like, drop me a comment and I'll get to it in the new year, and I'll put another video up. Let's get on and have a play. First of all, I'm going to see if I can get rid of that annoying crackling. There we go. Hopefully that's the end of that. We'll turn the volume up in case it decides to say anything.
Your turn.
It's my turn. Right. So let's see how we do. There's the first thing. Feature held when there's nothing on the matrix. Okay, so that's thing one I need to address. Hopefully it won't make too much difference. I've kept in the cherry earners on this. I can't think of any particular reason why you'd want to hold anything on this machine, because if the reels are holding, then the feature is held as well. Not that it's helping us so far. I do note though we can only exchange for cash. We can't exchange for super series because you need at least 50 pence to be able to do that. So let's exchange for nudges. Quite an inspiring nudge collection, isn't it? I don't think there's much more than oranges for tons of nudges. But this time we can exchange for super series. We can exchange for one. So I think we'll do that. And we'll take the one and see if it gives us a customary 30p. No, money back. And note that he paid that in cash. really see the lemons. Let's gamble and see how high we can get. Well, that solved that problem, didn't it? Oh. Shouldn't 3 nudges lose to 1? Or is it 10 pence? I suddenly think it should be 10 pence. But if you let me know in the comments, I'll make it right next year. Anyway, even I can see there's 3 grapes there. I definitely shouldn't do that. I thought I got rid of it holding after nudges, but I think we'll take advantage of it for demonstration purposes. I think we'll have the 8 nudges, won't we? I think it's right that 5 loses to 1. Stop that crackling again. Dear me. One more.
Getting. It's a hot pot.
I said it pays out too much, didn't I?
Tremendous.
And you get a tremendous if your payout is more than 200%. And what I've done on this program is show that we've had 25 games, we've won 57 units, and so far that's a payout of 228%, which is excessive even for one of my machines, but I will pare that back in time. What about 25 goes by the also player?
My turn.
Let's see if it gets the customary 30 pence. Now, at least I don't need to do any work on that.
Password tokens. It's tokens.
Now you see, because the total win was more than £1.50, it has to pay it out in tokens. Dear me, can't be much there at all. Yeah, I'm very confident that it shouldn't be holding there. To be honest, I thought I'd stop that, so I know exactly where to look in the code to sort that bit out. And we're on Bell Bar Grape.
Candy burn up.
We definitely won't get it. Yeah, well, I didn't expect it to win that gamble. Now, note that wasn't tremendous because it was only £3.70 paid out. So sum total so far is we're down to 188% payout. It seems to average out at about 160 in the long run, which I will bring down. Right, well, I'll make a mess of 25 goes now.
Your turn.
Where's the other bar? And why don't I know these things? I think it's about... It's a long way away. Let's have the plums. Oh dear. Yeah, that's got to change. But we'll have it for now. Let's try out the Super Series. Ah, lost that gamble. Oh well, there you go. That's a fair trade. Just me, or is the bottom half of that bell the wrong colour? I think it's the wrong colour, isn't it? Oh well, let's see what we can get. Nothing. That's Bell Bar Grape we want. have done for a little while. We'll get one of them now. Well, that was a catastrophic go from me. I think of that £2.60, at least half of it was illegitimate, of course. There we are. Oh look, 160% payout. Well, just to upset it, let's have 25 more and give it to the auto player.
My turn. Penny burn up.
And we get a great that time when there's a pair of cherries. Would that have been 8 nudges? Customary 30p. That's good to see. It definitely won't do this holding business on the next video I post. Obviously had to go for the jackpot there and was thwarted. Star should be easy. I wonder if it gets thwarted again. Oh, there it is.
It's a jackpot. It's a jackpot.
Well, I'm glad I caught that on video because it won't be happening again.
Tremendous.
I think it was tremendous. Well, there is Chances Unlimited. As you can see, it is by no means perfect. We won't be having jackpot holes. Well, not after nudges anyway. Well, do please let me know what you think. Leave comments if you'd be so kind, and I will get to address them in the new year. In the meantime, for anyone who's made it this far in the video, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed it, and I'll wish you a very Merry Christmas, and hopefully next year will be better for you than this. Thanks again.